Is it possible to add volume controls and shortcut keys to a mechanical keyboard, which does not have the keys? I am going to purchase a mechanical keyboard, but it will contain no volume controls or program shortcuts. Assuming I purchase a plain keyboard, is there a technology available that would provide me quick access to volume controls and common programs?
You could use a generic hotkey utility like AutoHotkey to assign keyboard shortcuts, something unlikely to be used by normal applications, like Ctrl plus Alt plus F12, to perform your desired special functions. Examples: Windows plus F11 increase volume. Ctrl plus Alt plus Numpad 0 start calculator. See the linked pages for hotkey reference, changing volume. I found some interesting things in researching this, but this is probably the most interesting. This URL. The X-Key stick is very spendy at $99 though. The other alternatives are things like an inexpensive USB keypad, which can be had for under $20, and you could remap its keys via software to multimedia functions. I did find one with dedicated multimedia keys, but it's odd. The model hashtag is 1000 BRF. Beyond that, gaming-related devices like the Cyber Sniper gamepad, or the Logitech G13 gameboard. More obscure stuff would be shuttle controls like the Shuttle Express or the Shuttle Pro.
Assuming you are using Windows, and if you can do without program shortcuts, I just use Winky Search, you may find FreeRVX useful. You can use it to add keyboard shortcuts for volume control as well as mouse combinations. I use Winky plus mouse wheel to adjust volume. It also adds an on-screen display volume slider. It works well, but as it runs on .NET, it does use more memory than it should for something that runs all the time. The author is making a new version which does not run through .NET though. I don't know what happened regarding that, there's no longer any mention of it.
Nerkit is a lightweight utility with quite a few nice features. I set up a few desktop shortcuts, with keyboard shortcuts, on an alternate monitor, out of the way. Toggle system mute, Shift F11, C:\\near_cmd.exe mute sysvolume 2. Increase volume, Shift F10, C:\\near_cmd.exe change sysvolume -5000. Decrease volume, Shift plus F9, C:\\near_cmd.exe change sysvolume -5000. Finally, I also have shortcuts set up for calculator and the snipping tool. C:\\system32\calc.exe, Shift plus F8. %winter%system32\snippingtool.exe, Shift plus F12. Each of these keyboard shortcuts work from within other programs. Not bad for emergency mutes, etc.
Beyond Rotterdam, wir sind hier mit Mr. Schwabe.